Yeah. Alright. Hey YouTube. Today we make blueberry muffins with Bisquick. Cause usually I just be like dumping some fresh blueberries in blueberry muffin mix, which is just quick and easy to do. But we don't got none of that. So I have these little boxes of blueberries. They're like these tiny little boxes that are 8 ounces. And they're like this. See? And that's about a cup of blueberries. I found this recipe. It's a good recipe. And I taste the batter first. You always taste your batter before we bake it. Always taste everything that you make before you serve it. So, okay? Did I already say it's Sandra Naked Chef? Well, it's Sandra Naked Chef. In case I didn't say it, I don't remember. Because, like, you know, and, like, I already dressed for the day, so deal with it. You have no choice. Because fucking whatever, I was making shit this morning, and it was whatever, and then, like, boyfriend said he was gonna go somewhere, so I get ready, and then, like, he never go nowhere. So, who knows what the fuck's going on. So, anyway, that's why we already dressed and whatever. And everything's already made. I already made blueberries, muffins, but, like, I made double batch because I had 2 boxes of blueberries, okay? So, I found this recipe. I just used Bisquick, and it's a good recipe, but, like, I don't think these people really know how to fucking bake, because they fucking retarded, and, like, they don't really make this shit. So, I did a little differently. I did my own way, because people are retarded. So, anyway, it's blueberry muffins with streusel topping. It's really good. It comes out good, right? So, I, make the streusel, and they tell you to do a 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, 2 tablespoons of butter, and 1 tablespoon of Bisquick. And they tell you to use room temperature butter, which you can't do that. You can mix it all up, but it's gonna get all over the place. It's gonna be gross. And then, like, the streusel's not gonna be all like formed and like all like make the top all like look all like like that. You know, they did. Or like, I don't know how to describe it. Yeah, like that. You know, see. So, like, you can mix that together. That's fine. But it'll be all gross and all runny and stupid. Like, if you don't do it my way. See? So, mix it all together at if you use room temperature butter. But really, how streusel is supposed to be is with cold butter. So, I had room temperature butter. I mixed all it up, the amounts for the streusel topping, but then I put it in the freezer, right? So it becomes all hard, and, like, I got this thing. It's from Pampered Chef. It's got like cut and mix, right? So, like, then I do this, and I, like, to kind of just, after it's frozen, make it all like a little crumbly, and you're not touching it with your fingers, making it all melty, you know? Just to cut and mix it up. It's kind of better than a pastry cutter or whatever those things are, which, you know, I replaced it with that. And I'm from Pampered Chef, so I'm consulting. If you ever want to order anything, you go to this site, https://www.pamperedchef.com/pws/super awesome Sandra /shop landing page. That is, like, just the page you can go to any time you want to get any of this cool ass Pampered Chef stuff, you know. And I already made it. It's just like, I can't show you how to make it, but, like, when I made it, I'll just tell you. So that's how I made the streusel. You just make the streusel, set it aside, whatever. Then for blueberry muffin, you get a cup of fresh blueberries. Rinse them off in your little colanders. I got, like, these little I got these little long triangle, these tiny colander. I also got, like, a big one in the middle, and they're awesome. And then you rinse them off. Then you, like, take half a tablespoon of like the Bisquick mix, And since I got Pampered Chef product, like I have the multi-measure spoon, right? So a half a tablespoon is 1.5 teaspoons. So on your multi-measure device, which I cannot find for the life of me right now. Oh. So if you have just regular, measuring devices, you can just do like 3 half tablespoons or 1 minute. We pause. So anyway, so I had to answer phone. So I started, and I already told you, I think, the blueberries, you rinse them, and you put half a tablespoon of the Bisquick mix it up with them, set it aside, right? Okay, then you mix together 2 cups Bisquick. Then half a cup granulated sugar, that's just regular white sugar. And then you do 2/3 cup milk and 2 tablespoons vegetable oil and 1 egg and 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. Do not get imitation vanilla because it is made it is made from like sawdust juice. You do not want fake vanilla. It's gross. Nobody wants to eat that shit. Fuck that. Spend the extra money or just switch the label if you don't feel like spending like that extra money, whatever, on real vanilla. Or get your mom to buy it for you, whatever. However you gotta get real vanilla, just do it. Because fake vanilla is gross. I got pure Madagascar vanilla. Okay, so anyway. So you mix all that shit together. You preheat your oven to 400 degrees, right? And then you prepare your muffin mix, right? Okay, so it works way better. See, like some of them I got in little muffin cups, but some of them I didn't have enough muffin cups, so they're right here. I think it just works better just with regular pan. Make sure your pan is clean and wipe it out. Like if it's rusted, use like whatever barkeeper's friend. Like it's like this little pasty soap stuff that you can get the rust out of there. Whatever. So then I got Baker's Joy. Baker's Joy is the shit because it's flour oil spray, right? Here we go. Just do this. Oh, fuck, for real? There we go. All right. There. Then, okay, Baker's Joy is the shit. I spray my pan. Hopefully I have enough Baker's Joy. If not, I just have regular oil that I can spray. But Baker's Joy is the shit because it's flour oil. I'm running out. Ooh, but we made it. Yeah, doing it up. Alright, so there. Then, you spray it. Oh, did I miss anything? Oh, so after you mix your batter, of course, you're going to fold in the blueberries just with a spatula. Just gently, There you go. I think I told you guys all the ingredients. These people are whack. Whatever people... Okay, so now we're gonna put the batter in there. After you mix it, I do Bisquick, I don't sift it, just mix it with a whisk. It's just like sifting it, So then you get, fuck, well, I don't know. This is bullshit. Alright. There you go. Hopefully it won't fall. There you go. Alright. So really, 1/3 cup, just 1/3 cup, is basically perfect amount for muffin tin. See? Just like that. There's only a little bit left. Perfect amount. Right? So then, you get it, and you scrape off the bottom on the edge of the bowl, and spoon it out. Just under the top. Just tiny little bit is left of muffin tin. Tiny little bit is left. So don't fill it too full or else it overflow and it's crap. So just tiny little bit. I might even take tiny little bit out because I think I baked those other ones and it kind of flowed out onto the edge, which is not cool. So just tiny little bit of room left at the top, you know. Okay, there you go. And then you fill up the entire tin and have your oven preset at 400 degrees. Now, I just put them in. I set the timer. I set it for like, we're going to say 8 minutes. Because like, when I made the first batch, maybe it was because I filled them up too full. I don't know, because I only got like 8 muffins this time, even though I made double batch. So I probably filled those way too full because they floated all over the place. Oh, wait, hold on. We probably doing I forgot the streusel. Good thing I just put them in and then like I remember just now. Hopefully, I don't know. Who knows? I don't trust it. Like, I don't want it to be hot. So I get hot pad. Alright. So we got streusel. I almost forgot, but good thing I remember right away. See? It's all crumbly. I put it in the freezer. You want your butter to be hard. You want it to be hard. So that it's like forms and it's pretty, right? So you put trying to streusel on there. There you go. Now it's gonna be all pretty. There you go. Doing it up. There you go. There you go. There you go. And I just used tons of fucking streusel. So like it basically took it all for those 8. But yeah, so there. Now then you put streusel. Okay. Streusel is good. So streusel. Then pop it in the oven for like 8 minutes. These people are stupid. Whoever like wrote this recipe, I don't know. People don't know how to bake. But first, like when I put first batch in, when I put first batch in, I put for 7 minutes because they say 14 to 16 minutes, but I say it's more like I did 14 minutes at first, probably closer to 20 minutes. I mean, I guess if, I don't know. We'll see how this one is. It's only 8 muffins though, so it might be shorter time. But full muffin pan, 12 muffins, it says 14 to 16 minutes. But just like do it for the lowest amount first because you can always bake it more. And then if you need to, you can do more after. So you do 7 or 8 minutes at first. Then once that's done, you take it out, flip it around, unless you have convection oven, which has the fan that blows the air to make even heating. I don't, so it's just normal. So you flip it around so that it gets even coloring, you know, on each side. So that's what you do. So I will pause video, and then when this time is over, flip it around, put it in for the other half of the time, and then we go from. Okay, so they're done. And when you know that they're done, they like just bounce back just slightly when you pat them, like touch them, poke them a little bit. And so for this recipe, I had to cook them a little extra, like the first 12 or whatever that I made. It was like I cooked them for 7 minutes on each side, like 7 minutes, then flip it, and then 7 minutes. And then I had to cook them for like another 5 minutes to have them like spring back, you know? So that's like 19 minutes, almost 20 minutes. And then they're done. And you just dump them out onto your cooling rack after they're done baking. And there you go. You got Bisquick Blueberry muffins. They're so good. So thank you for watching. This is Sandra, Naked Chef. And order things from pamperedchef.com from me. I showed you the website earlier. Like and subscribe to my videos. I don't show them too often because I forget to like video until like I'm halfway through or whatever sometimes. But you know, like, I think they're valid and they're good, and I have all the good recipes. So, see you next time.